How to replace a Human Touch PC-600, PC-610 or PC Pro glide roller. You will need a 9/16" socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, tip the chair gently onto the side on which the glide roller needs replacement. Using a 9/16" socket wrench, remove the nut that secures the glide roller to the chair. Pry the roller off the bolt, then remove it, making sure the washers remain in place on the bolt. To install the new roller, place it onto the bolt, then replace the nut. You may need to push the chair frame slightly to provide clearance. Finally, return the chair to the upright position, and you're done.